Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are at the beach and we are waiting for our dinner.
Not one, then two. He said he's not gonna be in my one video.
Not one, not two. What do you mean? I don't understand.
That you are really enjoying your vacation.
Bito.
And now it's early in the morning. We are out in the beach and trying to figure out how to fly the drone. It's 8 a.m. in the morning and it's getting too hot and we are also hungry and we decided to have our breakfast.
Lain naman sa una, oy. Din lain ano niya?
Oh, nakamunggay. Oh, mango. So many mango. Oh, climb diha dit. Climb the one of the wow. Oh, dito nga coconut tree.
Coconut nut is a giant nut.
The coconut tree. That's my favorite thing.
You should go get your Crocs, Loki.
Coconut tree. You can climb the tree like Piling.
Let's go. Coconut nut is a giant nut right there.
Come on, do it.
You climb the tree. Hala, daghag bunga. Ang lubi. Ugma na tamang wan din, managkot din sa isbuntag.
How about those?
Dito no?
But what's the big deal about renting? Yeah. Look, he will watch you.
Uy, kalayo sana on. Wala man na.
Diha lang ko to. It's too easy. It's too short. It needs to be taller.
Sige, start climbing now. Oh, see? Ay, pag chinilas.
You fail. Get one. Never.
Eh, sige na, kay gamay na lang.
Talayo kayo, oy.
Glagyo kay ngakak.
Mabingat. Chicken. Oh, you fail.
Oh, chicken.
Where's chicken?
Na.
Right there. So over there, see? Chicken.
Kanang nangka.
Kanula pa.
Oh. Kulo. That's
Nangka na, oy.
Uy, si Luke, si Jacob, nagtanaw, kamaya.
Jacob, come here. I think he's coming. This used to be this one. See, there is still a hole in here. This used to be your great grandma's house.
Oo. Oh. Mao na siya iyahang kuan. Sa gani na siya?
Grandma's house.
Oh, the Sukatan's family.
And look at that well. That's a well. Used to be your grandma. She built that well when you grandfather and your grandma was getting married. No. Yeah, there's none.
Is this a person who tried, who said that they could, even though I said that they couldn't, and they failed? You failed. You said that you could.
The coconut tree is not the same in our time before, no? Anan, sunod na sila. Uy,
Why's there a motorcycle like here?
Somebody's leaving.
nangka tree. That's the nangka tree.
So asa ilang agianan?
Oh, dire.
Kisa na balay.
Tiyo Jo. Manong Jubi mo nang balay manong Jubi. Kana. Kana iyang ad nga gibuhat.
Wala na napuyo din na.
Muanha na siya diha kung moari siya.
Ang atong giluto dito makuan.
She failed
Gibutangan
on
akong
this
tubig.
easy to climb tree.
I did try to climb.
Easy.
Nani pauli na siya.
Not yet.
Ang yellow. Ug red. Ingna na ang whale ba?
You even had to advance it.
Look, Jake. That's the well. That well.
Is there anything in the well?
Water.
Ayo ipapaduula din
No,
dit.
don't go there.
Why?
Because I'm not sure how stable it is now. They never use it for a long time. That's year 76.
1976.
February 19,
Yari's
1976.
older than that well.
Oh, what
I
water
told
you
look.
drink is 4.6 billion years
This
old, but
used
the
to
glass
be-
containers you put it in only make it viable to use.
This is one of the pool. Jacob, this is one of the pool of your great grandma's house.
Maybe you could put a plaque there.
Hmm?
I said maybe you could have put a plaque there. What, you said yes? Well, why is this the only one left?
There's only one left.
Well, then you should put a plaque there.
The other one.
Oh, there's more there? Right here. Right here.
This whole area used to be a house and there's the evidence there.
Right here. There's another one here.
Yeah, that's really.
Your house right there. It's a huge house when I was little. And there's one here. See? 1, 2, 3, 4.
It must have been a weird shaped house.
No, it was a square house.
Really? Because you said there's one there, another there. There's one
Stairs man ni diri nga dapit.
I think there was
already
a
about to
stairs
be a
in
trap
here.
door.
Yeah, it's a trapdoor, not a square. It's the most strangest house I've ever seen.
Where?
That, because it'd be a trapdoor.
Ipakita siya sa dead end sa Utah.
You went to see the dead end of the lot. The dead end is all the way out there.
What dead end?
The corner
Why is there a motorcycle there?
before the motorcycle.
In a house.
Your daddy saw your great grandma.
When did she die?
He died 7 years ago or 6 years ago.
Maybe. Oh,
What
maybe.
year was it? must have been at least
Di, si Sky, wala pa man nakakita.
16.
16? 2016?
Kaya na tayo si Sky, 17.
14.
Baby pa man.
really we're only going to out in point. It was an orange running.
Kanasa na tayo giluto. That's a coconut.
Rainbow October.
I tried to fly. Sisa tagiyan ni dari nga area din. Di ba hindi sa niya?
Oh, lahi na ang tag-iya. Naapil iya balay. Gamay na lang kayo dire.
Wala siya gapon na
Gamay na lang kayo.
Asa ka taga mo.
Okay ba? Basta kanang apil gikuan gikurang nga barbed wire mao na siya. Gibaligya niya.
How did they do that? I'm gonna do that too.
Naapil iya balay.
Okay, I'm like
Last time I was here, I
this was a house. What other evidence of it being here? When did it collapse?
it collapsed.
Without any underground pipes or anything.
It was just standing here. The house was really very strong. And then that was a wood house.
When did it collapse?
It collapsed because of the typhoon, I think.
The what?
Can't remember.
I might go back now.
Halika ka?
Na.
And I think this is the jackfruit. That's very old jackfruit. Huh?
Chicken. Ngay mga manok dito. Oh. At ilan ang dakpon doon. That's our neighbor's chicken.
But then humans will become lazy though.
Humans are already adding dogs to economic systems as well. Come on, bro. Are we adding artificial intelligence?
Me.
That chicken. Krrrr. You can call them krrrr.
I thought chickens were like red.
Afraid maybe
Wait,
because we're new here. They're not a friendly chicken. Krrrr. That's how you call them. Krrrr. Chicken is me. Chicken goat. You can call them me, but Mama Liling don't have goat. Maybe we can ask her. Mama Liling, where is your goat? Asa Mama Liling? Ask Mama Liling. Where is the goat? Huh? Where is the goat? Look, asking. Mama Liling, where is your goat? Ang goat ba? Where is daw your goat?
Di-open mo, day.
Ha? Nangita na sila sa goat ni mo.
Wow, na to. Pwede man ipakuha ni Mari Auring basta naa sila.
Ah.
Atuan na ito, Lay. Mamon ka.
Kuyog mo, ate.